Following the announcement by the Ministry of Education to reopen schools on the 1st of February 2021, some sectors of society have expressed concern on notion that reopening of schools should be rethought through pertaining on the increase in the number of people testing positive to COVID-19 and also the actual death toll rising. Concerned Citizens for Human Rights Director Mr. Liteta says it is extremely important that all teachers and pupils adhere to COVID-19 guidelines by the Ministry of Health as they will resume schooling.
There ought to be some precaution measures to be done by the inspectors and the school authority. Not only that, even us as parents, we should sensitize our children just to make sure that they do the required measures. We have to mask up and sanitizer always to be applied. Let's follow those guidelines because the new wave that has come is taking a lot of lives. And
Mr. Liteta explains that reopening of schools is with a positive objective, as remaining closed for a longer period of time will also compromise government's goal of service delivery in the sector, and this will also hinder scholars their right to education. While bordering on this, Hope for Africa International is also delighted by the cautious approach in the reopening of the University of Zambia through the use of blended approach to face-to-face and online learning as a welcome move that should be supported by all well-meaning Zambians. They have, however, noted the challenge that with the reopening of all grades at once will be on how the schools will manage the social distancing, as most schools are congested, coupled with the problem of teacher-to-pupil ratio. The concerned non-governmental organizations are therefore calling on the Disaster Management and Mitigation Unit, DMMU, to elaborate whether the face masks have already been distributed to schools in readiness for reopening on Monday, 1st of February 2021. Meanwhile, Examination Council of Zambia Acting Public Relations Specialist Nicolas Nkhuwa has refuted claims by some sectors of media that the 2020 Grade 7 and Grade 9 examination results are out and available on mobile platforms.
Examinations Council of Zambia is deeply concerned with an announcement that is circulating in some sections of social media reporting that the 2020 Grade 7 and 9 examination results have been released and that they are available on various mobile platforms. Contrary to this, we wish to put it on record that this statement did not emanate from the Examinations Council of Zambia, and therefore stakeholders and members of the public should disregard it. Examinations Council of Zambia is still processing the 2020 examination results at various levels, and you will surely see that the Board of Examinations Council of Zambia or management has never been at the forefront of releasing results to the nation, and rather it's the Minister of General Education who does so. So members of the public should be encouraged to ensure that they follow legit media platforms for any information relating to the Examinations Council of Zambia business.
Mr. Nkhuwa explains that once the processing of the results for various levels of examinations is complete, the public will be informed through the Ministry of General Education, who are mandated to release the results to the nation. Reporting for Movie TV News, Namangola Mundia.